Installation is easy. Open and take out the drum unit that you'd like to reset and attach this drum reset chip onto the drum unit. This is done. This takes less than 25 seconds. Done. This is one side of the drum unit, and this is another one side of the drum unit, and we have nothing to do with this side. Only we need to attach this drum chip onto this side. So find out this side first, and you will need to find out the two triangles, and these two triangles are very important. This tip of this triangle, the vertex, this one and this one, they are the important installation point for this chip. And this chip, you will peel the back cover and you will cover this chip onto the existing copper contact. And this one on the right hand side bottom copper contact should never be covered, so keep it in your mind. And this chip, this bottom line will go just above the tips of this triangle. This first tip, second tip, and go in the middle. Just peel and press. And as I mentioned before, never cover this copper contact.